Alright guys, so I found this really cool website, but it only worked on like 2 of my devices and not another one. So I'm going to make a video of me walking through this. I'm going to give you the link so you can try it on yours and see if it works. But if it doesn't, you're still able to see this activity. So we've been talking about insulators and conductors, and we discussed them when it comes to thermal energy. Well, there are also insulators and conductors when it comes to electrical energy. And there are insulators that protect us from getting shocked, and there are conductors that allow the electricity to flow through them so that the electricity can travel to different places. All right, so both of them are equally important and do different jobs for us. So what we're going to do today is we're going to walk through some different things that are insulators and conductors of electricity. And we're going to do that by building something called a circuit, which we're going to talk about a little bit more later in the week. All right, so the first thing I have to do is I have to build a circuit. All right, so a circuit just means lining up the wires on a battery. And I have to put the light bulb over here. And I'm going to leave it open right here because I'm going to check to see if it works in just a minute. I'm going to turn off that music. Alright, so right down here, when I attach the light, you can see I complete the circuit, which is like the shape of a circle, and my light lights up. So I'm going to practice putting things in that opening. I'm going to practice putting things, all these different objects, in this opening and see if I can get my light bulb to light up. If I put something in the opening and it lights up, that means it's a conductor. It allows the electricity to flow through. If I put something in and it doesn't light up, then it's an insulator. It stops it from flowing, all right? And you're going to fill out the chart that's in your seesaw for all these different insulators and conductors. And the good thing is, see, if you hover over, it tells you how to spell the object. All right, and so, yep, well, most of them do. We'll see. And so you'll be able to spell them correctly also. All right, so let's get started. You should not get any of these wrong because you're either watching this or you're testing it. So let's start first with the key. Awesome. So when I put the key here, it lights it up. So that's letting the electricity flow through the key all the way to the light, and it just keeps going in a circle. So the key would go down here on conductor. So on your chart, you need to write key under conductors in Seesaw. All right, a metal bottle cap. Oop, that lights it up. That's also a conductor. And if you need to know how to spell it, there you go. A pickle, let's see. A pickle's a conductor, okay? It lets the electricity flow through. I bet it's the water that's inside that pickle. All right, this is a porcelain cup. Nope, that stops it. It says electricity, you can't get through me. So that means it's an insulator. A tree branch. Ah, so just like the pickle, the tree has water in it, and water is a conductor of electricity. And I know you've always heard that. Don't get anything that's electric near your bath because it'll shock you. All right, what about a penny? Yep, that one's a conductor. This is a piece of yarn. No, yarn, wool yarn. Nope, that's an insulator. What is this? Pencil lead. Ooh, electricity will flow through your pencil. Thread. Nope, that's an insulator. Plastic bottle cap. Nope, plastic's an insulator. An eraser. Erasers are made out of rubber. That is an insulator. Wood. Oh, that's interesting. So we have the wooden block, and then down here you have the tree branch. The difference between the two is that the wooden block isn't alive, so it doesn't have that water in it. All about that water. Paper clip, it lights it up. That's a conductor. Lemon slice has water in it. That's a conductor. And the wax. Nope, that's an insulator. All right, so I'm going to I gave you this website if you want to try to see if it works on yours. If not, you're going to fill in your chart on what you just saw about the differences and the different conductors and insulators. I want you to write the names of those objects, okay?